total treasure any country wants to have. Like a water or a river, I evaluated always there. I am an ideal citizen, a total treasure any country wants to have. Like a water or a river, I evaluated always there. Without me, nothing will ever exist. I am the mother of a great city. I'm called to be part of all parts of it. Without me, nothing will ever exist. I am the mother of a great city. I'm called to be part of all parts of it. I am the